So students, we have the next topic. Again, this is a problem on decoder which I have taken from a question paper. The question is implement full adder using 3:8 decoder. The question is to implement full adder using 3:8 decoder. Okay, till now they were giving us the functions, mean terms, max terms directly, and we used to implement that particular function using decoder. Now the question is implement full adder using 3:8 decoder. So this is a question from December 2016, Jan 2017 question paper. December 2016, Jan 2017 question paper. See, I have sent you some 4 or 5 question papers. Please go through all the question papers and solve all the problems on decoder. So when I was looking into the question papers, almost the similar type of problems I have solved. This is a problem which is very simple, but I thought of explaining this because they have given us a circuit full adder using 3:8 decoder. For this, mean terms are not given. You have to write the mean terms. For the mean terms of full adder, you need to write the circuit using decoder. Very simple, and the question is only for 4 marks, and this question can also be asked for 6 marks. So now the question is implement full adder using 3:8 decoder. So which is the 3:8 decoder we have? IC 74LS138. So let us use 74LS138 IC to implement full adder. But before I write the pin configuration of 74LS138, let me get the mean terms for full adder output. Okay. So full adder, I think you know what is full adder. I need not explain this again. But anyhow, this adder concept is again there in module 2. We'll discuss at the end. But now, since you have already studied full adder in your basic electronics, let us write the truth table for full adder. How many inputs for full adder? A, B, C. Carry in. Outputs are sum, carry out. So 0, 0, 0. So since we have 3 inputs, we will have 0 to 7. That is 8 combinations. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So these are the combinations we have, and this corresponds to mean term 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. That means sum 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1, 0, 0. Sum is 1, carry 0. Sum is 0, carry 1. Sum is 0, carry 1. Sum is 1, carries 1. Right? So this is the full adder truth table. So now write the how many output variables we have? We have 2 output variables, sum and carry out. Now write the mean terms for sum. Mean terms for sum 1, 2, 4, 7. Sum mean terms 1, 2, 4, 7. Carry out mean terms 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 5, 6, 7 are the mean terms for carry. Okay. So these are the mean terms for sum and carry out. 2 output variables we have, and we now have got the mean terms. Now implement these 2 functions using 74LS138. How many variables? 3 variables. We need not configure an higher order decoder. We can easily implement it using 74LS138 as we have 3 inputs for 74LS138 is a 3:8 decoder, right? So we have 3 inputs. These 3 inputs can be called as A, B, C. And outputs are active low. 8 outputs we have. Y0, you can call it as Y0 bar, Y1 bar, Y2 bar, Y3 bar, Y4 bar, Y5 bar, okay, Y6 and Y7. We have 2 more output variables, Y6 and Y7. Y6 bar I am writing because the outputs are active low. All the outputs are active low, correct? And along with this we have 3 more inputs. The enable input G G1 is active high, G2 A dash is active low, and G2 B dash is active low. And I must connect G2 A dash and G2 B dash to ground and G1 to VCC or plus 5 volts or logic 1. Okay. So now our IC is ready to decode the inputs into outputs because I am giving 1 0 0 as the enable input. Now how do I implement sum? Sum is implement. What are the mean terms for sum? 1 2 4 7. So take 1 2 4 7. 1 2 4 7. So 1 2 4 7. Which is the gate that we will have to use? Outputs are active low. And I am implementing mean terms. So the gate is bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate is same as NAND gate. So either you can use bubbled OR gate or a NAND gate. So this is sum. Okay. Now for carry is what? 3 5 6 7. 3 5 6 7. 3 5 6 7. Okay. Now give these four to a bubbled OR gate and this will be carry. Okay. Sum is 1 2 4 7. Carry is 3 5 6 7. And this is the implementation of full adder using decoder. Correct? I think you can see here. So this is the implementation of full adder using decoder, that is 74LS138. So like this, subtractor can be asked. Half adder can be asked, full adder, half subtractor can also be asked. So do practice all the, whatever the function you get, you should be able to implement it using decoder, okay, suitable decoder. So next we have BCD decoder. So we have studied decoder has got n inputs and 2 power n output lines. Now what is BCD decoder? I told when I was explaining decoder, it is not that for all the decoder we will have n inputs and 2 power n output lines. For some decoders we will have, this ratio will not be satisfied. So this is an example wherein BCD decoder. In this, let me first tell you the IC number. This is 74LS42. The IC number, BCD decoder IC number is 74LS42. So before we get the manufacturing company initial will be there in the starting before 74, but the IC number for BCD decoder is 74LS42. So for this BCD decoder we will have 4 inputs and 10 outputs. 4 inputs and 10 outputs. For BCD decoder it is not 2 power 4. The standard BCD decoder has got 4 inputs and 10 outputs. What are those 4 inputs and 10 outputs? Let's check. Let me write the symbol of BCD decoder. So how many inputs for BCD decoder? 4 inputs. A, B, C, D. 4 inputs we have for BCD decoder. And the IC number is 74LS42 and we have 10 output lines. So let me call the output lines as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So BCD input, binary coded decimal numbers are only from 0 to 9. So depending on the input, one of the output line will be selected. So BCD numbers decoding, BCD decoder. So depending on the inputs, 4 bits input, 0 to 9 BCD, these numbers will be decoded. So one of 10 output line will be selected based on the input A, B, C, D, and this is the pin configuration of a BCD decoder. And here also all the outputs are active low. Either you can write active low like this, or for this let me write a bubble here. Okay, this is also an indication for active low. So outputs are active low. Outputs are active low. Either you can write bubble or you can write a triangular symbol, whatever I had written. Okay. So this is the pin configuration of a BCD decoder. So this can be called as whatever the symbol I will be writing, this can also be called, this is a IEEE symbol, whatever we are writing. For 74LS138, for 74LS139, whatever we had written. No, this is nothing but the IEEE symbol. And let me call this as A, B, C, D. Yeah, okay. Let me call this as A, let me call this as B, C, D. Okay. So since we are going to implement it, we are going to write the internal circuit diagram for BCD decoder. I am using the same notation whatever they used. A, B, C, D. Okay. And here also when we write the truth table. Now let us write the truth table. Pin configuration is clear. It has got 4 inputs and 10 output lines. B, C, D from 0 to 9. Okay. So now what are the inputs we have? We have the inputs A, B, C, D. So I'll write the truth table here. So here B, C, B, A. So these are the inputs we have. So 4 inputs. 4 inputs means the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This corresponds to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, that is 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, that is 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, that is 4, 0, 1, 0, 1, that is 5, 0, 1, 1, 0, that is 6, 0, 1, 1, 1, that is 7, 1, 0, 0, 0, that is 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 9. Okay, I have outputs from only 10 output lines, 0 to 9. So inputs, the combinations that I can give is only from 0 to 9 because the input is BCD decoder. So BCD numbers means only the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so based on this, one of the output line will be selected. That means when you are giving the input 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 output line will be selected. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So let us call this as, okay, yeah, that is denoted as D0. You should not get confused. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. Or you can even write Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay, let us write Y0 because till now we were writing it as Y0, Y1, Y2, right? So why to get confused? You can write instead of D0, D1, you can write this as Y0 to Y1. Okay, so outputs are Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8 to Y9. So when you are giving A, B, C, D as input, which is the output line will be selected? Output line Y0 will be active. So output Y0 is active when you are giving 0, 0, 0, 0 as input. 0, 0, 0, 1, Y1 is active. 0, 0, 1, 0, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8, Y9. So we have the outputs from Y0 to Y9. So depending on the input, Y0, one of the output lines will be selected. And can you tell me the equation for Y0? Looking at the combination, when Y0 is active when you are giving A, B, C, D as 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is the equation for Y0? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Similarly, what is the equation for Y1? Y1 is what? A is taking 1. So A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Similarly for Y2, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. For Y3, A, B, C bar, D bar. See, I have taken it reverse. That is the only, don't get confused. Since I am going to implement, I am going to write the internal circuit diagram of BCD decoder. Since I have used the same notation, let us retain the same, okay, to write the same circuit. It is A, B, C, D. So accordingly you write the equation. So Y4 is active when you are giving 0, 0, 1, 0. That means A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Y5, A, B bar, C, D bar. Right? Y6, A bar, B, C, D bar. Y7, A, B, C, D bar. Y8, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Y9, A, B, C, D. So this is the equation we have got for all the output variables. From Y0 to Y7, I have written the output variables. So this is the equation we have got. Now let us write the circuit diagram, that is the implementation of BCD decoder. I'll keep the truth table. I'll only erase the IEEE symbol of decoder. Okay, BCD decoder. Okay, So now let us write the circuit diagram for this. So what is the circuit that we could see in 74LS442? 74LS42 is a BCD decoder, and this is what the output I get. So I have 8 output lines for a decoder, BCD decoder, and 4 inputs, right? So what are the inputs? We have A, B, C, D. Along with that, we also have A bar. Okay, so this is A bar, this is B, this will be B bar. Okay, and I've used a NOT gate here. Okay, and this is C. C bar will be this. Okay, and if D line is this, we also have D bar. Now it is very simple for us to write the equation. Implementation. Okay, so now what is Y naught? Y naught is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Take A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Give this to a NAND gate. Give this to a NAND gate. So now, when you are giving A, B, C, D as 0, 0, 0, 0, what are the inputs that are coming here? 1, 1, 1, 1. If all the inputs are 1, the AND gate output is 1, but the NAND gate output is 0. So Y naught you are going to get it as 0 when you are giving A, B, C, D as 0, 0, 0, 0. That's how the circuit is going to work. Next, what is the equation for Y1? A, B bar, C bar, D. Take A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Give this to a second NAND gate, and that gives the output Y1. Okay, you can even check the value output for Y1 giving any combination. But Y1 will be equal to 0 only when you are giving 0, 0, 0, 1. Why 0? Because they are active low. So only when you are giving 0, 0, 0, 1, this particular line will be active. That means you are getting output 0. For all the other cases, you get Y1 as 1. Similarly for Y0, only when you are getting A, B, C, D as 0, 0, 0, 0, Y0 will be active. That means you are getting Y0 as 0. Otherwise, for all the remaining conditions, Y0 will be high. Okay. Similarly for Y2, Y2 it is A bar, B, C bar, D bar. So A bar, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B, C bar, D bar we have. Give this to another NAND gate, and this will be Y2. Same way you can write till Y9. Same way you can complete the circuit diagram. Very simple circuit diagram. You just have to write the truth table for BCD decoder. Write the equations for all the output variables. For the equations, write the circuit diagram using NAND gate. The reason why we are using NAND gate is the outputs are active low. Otherwise, we would have used an AND gate. NAND gate because the outputs are active low. So this is BCD decoder, that is 74LS42. We also have one code, that is BCD to 7 segment. BCD to 7 segment display. 7 segment display, you have an experiment in your lab. 7 segment. 7 segments you will have. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LED. Okay. If you want to display 0, these LEDs will be on. If you want to display 1, these 2 LEDs will be turned on. Okay, so if I have to explain BCD to 7 segment display, again for this you will have 4 inputs and 7 outputs, 7 segments, 7 outputs you will have. When you are giving 0, 0, 0, it should display 0. When you are giving 0, 0, 1, it should display 1. When you are giving 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, it should display 2. That means you are going to design that. You are going to study how exactly BCD numbers are decoded into 7 segments. BCD to 7 segment display. But to explain that, you should first complete that experiment in your lab. Only then I could explain. Only then you can clearly understand the concept of BCD to 7 segment display. And the IC that you are using in your lab for BCD to 7 segment display is 74XX47. Okay. See, while they'll ask you all these IC numbers. 74LS139 2:4 decoder, 74LS138 3 straight decoder, 74LS42 BCD decoder, 74LS47 BCD to 7 segment display, 7 segment display decoder. So this is the IC that you are going to use in your lab to conduct this experiment. You finish that experiment, again we'll come back to this concept. I'll be doing this when you complete your experiment in your lab. So as of now in decoder, you should be able to realize any given function using decoder. Okay, whether they're active high, whether they're active low, whether the enable input is low, whether the enable input is high, you should be able to design the decoder. So when you get a question on decoder, do read the question properly. What are the conditions that they have given to design a decoder? Accordingly, implement the function. Please don't be in a hurry and select 74LS139 or 138. Read the condition, what they have given. Accordingly, take the suitable decoder, use suitable external gate to implement. And one more we have is BCD decoder. BCD decoder, yes, BCD numbers are decoded like this. 1 out of 10 output line, 1 will be selected based on the inputs. Accordingly, the implementation is done. Okay, so that's all about decoders, and you have to solve more number of problems on decoder to understand. Again, in the online regular class, we will again solve some more problems on decoder. Okay.